Yo, Lies, what are you doing?
Dude, just about to unbox this Ausom scooter, dual motor, better than single, because why not? Two's better than one. Let's go. All right, guys, yeah, so Ausom sent us another scooter. We're stoked. Got the Varla in the past. Saw me sending some jumps. Maybe Julian will throw a clip, maybe not.
Oh!
Then we got the Ausom single motor. Bodie unboxed that one. That one was, you know, single motor is what it is. But, you know, they said, hey guys, why don't we give you a double motor and see what you can do with that? You know, let the people know it's really good. So let's get into it, open it up, see what we're looking at, okay? Thing's heavy for sure. And boom, right off the bat, styrofoam. Love it. And manual. Let's just take a quick look in here. Ooh, I gotta catch my breath, man.
Really ripped into that.
I really ripped into that box. Okay, single motor, it's looking like we could top out at 34 miles per hour. With the dual, 41.
Dude, that's gonna be scary.
It's gonna be pretty scary, especially on a scooter. I don't know, it's crazy that they even make scooters that go that fast, cause like, I don't know, there's a seat, so if that makes it feel more safe, whatever, I guess, but.
All right, let's get into it.
All right. Boom, styrofoam. Let's try to not make a mess. Charger, tools, Allen key. Handlebars, came exactly the same way as the first one. It's kind of already like pre-built. I think all we really got to do is tighten some things. Cute little foot hand pump thing. All right, it's a little, oh, it kind of does look a little bit different, yeah.
The stem is definitely different.
Yeah. Gallop.
We have the Leopard.
Oh, so this is the, we're galloping now, let's go.
Get in there.
Here we go, boom. Yeah, that's heavy. This is heavy duty for sure. I think you definitely want that weight if you're going 41 miles an hour. If you're on like a little twig that's like light, I feel like you can easily just get tossed by any unknown thing you didn't see. Just pop this up, now we're locking it in there. It makes it really easy to freaking throw it down and throw it in like your car or in a trunk or whatever, you know what I mean. Oh, is that free candy? Score. No, I'm joking. Don't eat these. Just make sure we're tight, because fucking. Nice.
Damn, that was good.
That was a nice one. Okay, where are the keys? Whoa. We got a padlock on here.
I wonder if that's for the battery. Yeah,
it's
that's
definitely not
sure.
on the Leopard, so that's cool. I wonder, that's gotta be access to the battery.
Yeah, I think those are the charge ports right there.
Yeah, here we go for that single and dual charging. Is this a new, different looking light?
I think that's a different light, yeah.
That's cool. It's probably brighter. Okay, I'm still looking. Oh, found it. Lift open. Boop, there goes the key. That's funny. Nice, there we go. Dude, it's the best horn. It sounds like a mini fire truck. It's so good, that's like my favorite thing. Blinkers? Oh!
Yeah, they definitely changed that.
Nice, that's cool. So, multiple spots of visibility if you're like blinking. So that's like
blinkage.
That's a good safety feature. You know, if you're a city ripper and you know you don't want to get smacked by a car, that's dope. Just make sure you use them. But oh my god, my bad. Jeez, nice. I like that.
This is a good looking scooter, dude.
Yeah, this is sweet, honestly, and it's
cool. We got dual disc,
sturdy.
Dual disc brakes.
Oh, nice.
Front and back.
Yeah. All right, so side by side, we got them out here. Gallop, the Leopard, single motor, dual motor. You can obviously tell right away. This one seems more small. Single motor, you're not gonna have as fast speeds. It just looks smaller too. It kind of looks less intimidating. This thing looks beefier. I don't know how much these cost.
This is under 1,000.
Under 1,000. This is probably, if I were to guess, 1,300, 1,399 maybe.
Oh no, actually it's on sale right now.
It's on sale, but originally it's $13.99. I was right.
Yeah.
How's that? This one, you can adjust the neck. It looks like, I think you gotta unscrew this or right here. You can adjust the height of the handlebars. This one, I'm not really seeing that you can do that unless it's these screws and you would unscrew these and then slide it up. I really don't even think that's an option. So
yeah,
I think you're kind of just stuck right here, which that's not bad. You know, it's you don't want to hear. Maybe if you're really tall, it's kind of a bummer, but whatever. All right, I'm excited to go rip the Gallop Ausom Scoot dual motor 2. 2 is better than 1. So let's rip. Woo! Come on, let's go, dude. Are you coming, dude? Come on, the scooter's finally charged. We charged it up over Thanksgiving Day weekend, ate a lot of good food, gave thanks, you know the vibes. Now the scooter is fully charged. Last time we were trying to top it out and I was only getting to, I believe, like 28 miles an hour. So it's advertised to go 41. So we're fully charged, 58 volts of battery. Let's go, come on. Damn, this thing was jumpy off the gun. Woo! Already the power feels
more?
It feels way more, yeah. I was just like skidding. Woo. On the street too, holy shit. Yeah, full battery. This thing is punchy right now. It's the dual motor. It's Mode 3, dude.
Jesus. Let's see what she's got, Captain.
Let's open it up. Oh, sketchy. Yeah. All right. Woo! Don't go, car. Yo! Oh my God, I'm scared. Oh my God, I'm scared right now. I don't even want to look down. 30. Oh my God, 30. Oh, sketchy. Oh, 32. Ah! Holy shit. It's so scary going that fast on a scooter. I think 33. I'm also like so scared to look down to even check what I'm going, but well, I was like gunning it. I was like full throttle. Let's try it again. You! Oh! It capped at like 35. What the heck? It's just like capping at like 35.
I mean, 35 is plenty fast.
I mean, it's really fast. It's scary. I mean, 35 is still very, very fast. Like, I think that's about, I'd be fine if it just was like solid 30. But we got the other one's up to 31, right? Or something like that.
Yeah.
It's crazy because that other one, since it's single motor, it doesn't feel like it's, all the power's all there. Like you get to the 31 and it's like not that sus. But let's go climb some hills. We got to 35. It still feels hecka fast, which is crazy. Let's go find a hill. Woo!
Were you thinking about the drop?
Dude, I was about to say, should I try it? Yeah. Drop.
I think you gotta pull back a little bit more.
I gotta pull back a little bit more. Woo! Woo! That felt crazy. It probably didn't look as crazy as it felt, but it felt pretty crazy. Like, this thing's heavy, but the suspension was solid. Like, if I did it on the Leopard, I would have hurt a lot. I feel like it just would have, but this one, like, the suspension had me. Get out of the way! Should I just go for it? Going for it. Yo! That thing just ate it up that hill. That's a pretty steep hill, I'd say, for a scoot to be able to climb. I know we brought the GTS over here not too long ago, GTS and the ADV. They both were like struggling up towards the top end, but this isn't that. This is a dual motor electric scooter. Woo. Okay, so we kind of got 2 different levels here. This one, on a normal XR, you're lucky if you get up. You really gotta be able to like maneuver up hills properly and distribute your weight so you don't over torque the motor and end up, you know, nose diving into the upward hill. With the GTS, probably cake. With the ADV, cake. With the 84 volt vest, cake. But I have no doubt in my mind that this is just gonna rip up this. But then we got that one over there, which I don't even think you can one wheel up it. This one I think is gonna be easy. We'll give it a shot and I'll be back to do the other, so. Yee-hoo! Oh! Oh! We're good.
Save.
We're good. Woo! Okay. Oh, which line? This line. Woo!
No problem.
Yeah, let's go. Scooter hill climb, Riverside. One more time. Let's go. Oh, 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 ripping. Woo. Woo. I'm full throttle just punching it. But that looked easy. Did it look easy? Yeah, it was minor. I think the most I guess the hardest part about getting up is like making sure I stay in a straight line since it's super loose. I don't want to slip out. Yeah, this one's gonna be hard.
Oh yeah, it's way steeper.
Oh, fuck. No! Oh, offline. Light work. I think if it wasn't loose, it would do it pretty easy, but I think due to how powerful it is with the dual motors, that once I get to the loose stuff, I'm trying to throttle it and to get grip, it's just like spitting everything out.
So what did we learn today? Ausom makes some pretty awesome products, dude.
They make some pretty awesome products. Not sweet, not rad, not cool, but awesome. This was definitely way more sick, cool, dope, any other words you would love to describe something that you love, than the Leopard. The Gallop's where it's at. And Black Friday's probably over by the time you're seeing this, but now it is $13.99 if you're looking for a scooter.
And you can click the link in the description to go get one yourself.
So overall,
Easy.
sick scooter, dual motors is sweet, and I love the horn.
Honestly, like unbiased opinion, obviously they sent us a scooter for free. The build quality on this thing is actually really, really solid. It's got way more get up than the Leopard does, so if you have a Leopard already, you're gonna like the Gallop. And the horn's sweet.
Have fun, don't get hurt. Scooters are scary. So, all right, float on, my friends.